nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Nikki. So Monday I filmed like 3 videos that had nothing to do with any looks. So I decided for today, for Wednesday, I will film a look using the Morphe 15T Your True Selfie palette, which looks like, again, I don't like blinding people, but it looks like this. And I'm going to be using, I don't know what I'm going to be using. I didn't plan this out. I knew I wanted to use this palette, I just didn't know what look I was going to do. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to start with Woke Up Like This though, which is this lovely shade right here. Sorry, hashtag Woke Up Like This. And then, we just go from there. So enough talking, let's get started. So the next shade I'm going to play with is a shade that I really haven't touched. Mine is a swatch. This shade here, Relationship Goals. I've never put it on my face. I've swatched it, I've touched it, I've looked at it in the light, but I don't think I've ever put it on my lids or on my lower lash line. So going to use that next on my Anastasia Beverly Hills brush. Going to use this end first and then this side to blend it out. If you are new to my channel, then I just have to admit that I'm obsessed with this shade here. So I'm going to, this is Artist. I'm going to combine Artist and the shade After, where I put the concealer. I'm going to do After first and then Artist to make After pop a little more. I'm obsessed with, I'm obsessed with the shade Artist. I think it's a very beautiful shade. Like, it's so pretty, it's so pretty, it's so pretty. I love it so much. So I'm going to be using that with this. I'm gonna go off camera and do everything. If you are new to my channel, I don't do foundation on camera because, you know, saves me and you both some time. Only if I do, like, if I do full face glam, then I do it on camera, but it's not full face. This is literally just this and this. So I'll be back. So I'm going to take the purple shade from here, which I got wrong in my last video. It's definitely not Cape Cod. This one is Escape, but this darn slip was backwards. This is Escape. I'm going to take that same purple shade and put it on my lower lash line. I'm definitely giving myself Maleficent vibes, and I didn't try to, but you know, it happens to the best of us, and I kind of sort of like it. Again, excuse the cartoons in the background if you can hear it. I've been on a nostalgia kick lately with music and television shows, and it's kind of making me feel old. Just a little bit. Like the other day I was listening to Nelly album, and I forgot how much I was obsessed with him in middle school. That was so long ago. That was a long time ago. Wow. Oh my god, I'm old. And that's fine. Not really, but you know, what are you gonna do? So I guess I forgot to turn the ring light on. Me. So there's the purple underneath. Now I'm gonna go into Artist and put that in my inner corners until about right there. I always forget to turn this ring light back on, because when I do my foundation, I don't let it sit on because it's a bright light. It makes my apartment hot. Turn it off. Not to mention that's wasting electricity. You know. So I forgot to turn it back on when I did the purple. Nice. Very nice. And in true Maleficent fashion, I'm going to be doing a red lip. I'm going to be using the Bretman Rock Lippy Pencil in Dukes, as well as his satin lip in the shade Wig. And this is the finished look. I am very shiny, but I like it. Relationship Goals is kind of a cute shade. It's like a very deep purple. Like, it's like such a deep black purple that it looks black. Pretty sure showing black on camera, but in person you can tell that it's a purple. It's just a very dark, deep, dark purple, and I like it. It's giving me Maleficent vibes, so looks like we know what this look is gonna be titled. Anyway, that's it. Like I said, I just want to film a look because I filmed like a rant and a haul and something else. What was it? I don't remember. A rant, a haul, and a clip and extensions review. So, you know, give you a look too. Anyway, that's it. That's all. Maybe I will see you guys tomorrow. It's Wednesday in Korea. Maybe I'll see you guys tomorrow, but definitely Friday, if not tomorrow. So, well, I have to do it either tonight or tomorrow. I have to film my palette updates. There's supposed to be one scheduled for this week. So, maybe tonight, tomorrow, whatever. Anyway, bye.